Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Come on and go with me. Come on over to my place. I don't feel like being lonely tonight. You see, I want some company, yeah. And you look like you're just my type. You're the kind of spirits are running free, yeah. Let's take a sip, some cocoa wine, and dance to the music nice and slow. And you see, you won't be under any kind of pressure. You see, we'll just let the evening flow. Come on and go with me. Come on over to my place. Oh yeah. Come on and go with me, yeah. Come on over to my place. You look like you getting bored to death, and you wanna get away. You wanna get away from this noisy crowd. Let's go where it's nice and quiet, where there's nobody else around. Let's sit down by your cozy fire, and we can be each other's company. Now how does that sound to you? You see, 'cause that sounds so good, it sounds so good to me. Come on and go with me. Come and go over to my place. Come on and go with me, yeah. Come on over to my place. Oh yeah.